Welcome to Fashion More. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you've already joined us, and thank you for joining the Fashion More family. Now, go along and put in your login details as I show you how to upload a product properly so that your clients can find it. Once you log in, you land here. If you click on this button, it will bring you on your dashboard, and this is where you find everything that to do with your shop. You can see orders, reports, whatever it is you need to check. But for today, we are going to add a product. So click on products. It will bring you here. Click on add new product. Pay attention, please, to this notice. It is very important before you continue loading your products. Have a read, and once you finish reading, click on this button here, and you are ready to upload your product. The first image is you click on this. It will take you to your media library. Now, if you have no items in your media library like I do, you land on upload files, which you need to click and go into where you have saved the images of the product that you want to post. You go and choose wherever they are. Like I have chosen these two and I've clicked there to select. As soon as they land here, they go into your media library, so you can go and add the first product by setting feature image. Then you come once that is loaded, and you can add up to 5 or more images of your product. Okay, so I've gone and selected the next whatever, and to gallery, and as you can see, it's there. And now I'm going to choose a category for this product. Once you click on this select product category, it populates with all the categories that we have. Please pay attention. It is so important that you choose the right category of your item. Otherwise, buyers will not be able to find it. So as you can see, I've chosen women clothing, dresses. I have gone and given it a name, pink, whatever. I am giving it a price of 200, discounted 17. So my category shows there. And once I have given it a short description, if you have tags, you can put there. You just create the product. And this is where we are. So that's how your product will look like, your pictures. And of course, you have other images it will show. All right. Now, once you've done that, pay attention that this needs to change from simple. If you click in the box, it gives you all these selections. Please always choose valuable. Okay. So you choose valuable on the product. And once you've done that, go all the way down until you find attribute and variation. Okay, now this is where we are going to add color, sizes, and everything else to describe your dress to make it more searchable. So if you click on here, this box, it will give you all the custom attributes we have. So for this dress, we are going to choose color. And once you've chosen color, you add attribute and you get a box for values. Now the value for color is it red, white, or any other color? Click on this box. And again, it will populate all the colors we have. Choose the colors that you need. For example, I've chosen pink. Go on and add all the colors by clicking in this box. Now, because there are more than one, it becomes a variation. What we mean is there will be a pink 14, there might be a pink 12. There might be a red 14, 16, 18. There might be a white only in 18. So it is important to select those. So you carry on again, you go adding another custom attribute. For this one, I've chosen sizes, and as you can see, you select the values of the sizes, and I have picked my sizes as I go along. Again, there are several sizes. Okay, and once you have chosen your sizes, always choose variations because there are more than one. Okay, so again, I've chosen fabric. I have chosen whatever fabric it is going to be by clicking on values. I have picked jersey. Now, because it's only one, we do not need a variation. So you just leave it as that. So go ahead and save your attributes. And after you save all the attributes, come down here, click save. And when you go back into your attribute and variation section again, which you need to, you'll find another box as populated, which says add variation. Now, this is where we are going to say we have a 12 in pink. We have a 14 in red or whatever. So if you click in add variation, okay, it will bring up this box where you pick a color. Let's pick pink for now. Okay, and then we go again, we choose a size 12 by clicking there to the variation of size 12. Create that, okay? And here it is. This one will be a pink 12, and now we want to tell the customers it is in stock. All right, as you can see by clicking manage stock, it is in stock. It's 2,500 and you have discounted to 2,300. Ideally, these are the prices that should show in the site. But if you remember that information I told you to read, it tells you that you must add the shipping cost to the cost, okay? Because we don't want buyers wondering how much shipping cost is. So you need to add 350 to 200 to your price here, which brings it to the 28.50. And once you discount with your 200, it will bring it 26.50. This is the price that needs to reflect on the site, okay? So you go again, choose more variations. This time is red 14, and you go ahead, of course, and do the stock management of the red 14. We are saying it is in stock, we have 6 in stock, and you carry on adding whatever. Once you are finished, save the product. I want you also to pay attention to this purchase note. It is very important. If there is any message that the buyer needs to know from you, you tell them. So for example, you could say, please note, I normally post my items every Friday to be received by next Tuesday, if you like. Or it could be any message. It is important to let buyers know. Then they don't give you bad reviews because you never gave them the information that they needed to know. Go ahead, save your product. And this is exactly how the attribute and variation will be. Now, just before I forget, we are allowing people to sell new products or good quality mitumba items. So another variation you must always add is condition, which will return either new or mutumba. So it is very important. I have not added it here, but please always remember to add that attribute. Its condition is either mutumba quality or new, and that's what I mean, conditions, okay? Now, once you have finished your product, the reason why we need to put new and mutumba is because it will either show here if it is new or if it is mutumba quality. Very important that customers know what they are buying. Then you don't get bad reviews, and also the website does not get bad reviews, okay? Now, when you go to view a product, this is how we want it to look like. So you have the different colors there, and you'll be able to choose, as this shows, there is a white in 6, or there is 3 in red, size 16, and all that. So there are all those variations you can choose from. I hope that gives you a better understanding of how to run the products. Watch the video again. Ask any questions. We are always very happy to answer your questions. I hope that helps. Thank you.